Welcome. We're going to be talking about exploring network-to-network connectivity and building automation. We have with us Paul Ole Jimenez, who's the product manager for building automation at Intesis. Now, with some real-world stories, we're going to help you unlock the potential of network-to-network connectivity in streamlining building automation. We're also going to share Intesis's groundbreaking products. They're designed to empower integrators to achieve reliability and efficiency in K&S projects. Our goal is to inspire you to revolutionize your projects and elevate your automation game. And I'm sure Paul is going to help you do that right now. Welcome, Paul.
Hello. Thank you, Bob, for this introduction. So today I want to go through the latest CanX products that we have launched from Intesis Protocol Translators product line. But before that, I just want to have some introduction to enhance the purpose of building automation industry and Intesis too. So for that, as all attendants here may already know, buildings are the main energy consuming assets. So the main growth drivers for building automation market are energy efficiency and comfort. In the energy efficiency plan, the European Commission states that the greatest energy saving potential lies in buildings. According to this European Commission, buildings are responsible, as you see here in the slide, for 40% of energy consumption and 36% of CO2 emissions in the European Union. Over the last 20 years, in Europe, electricity consumption in European non-residential buildings has increased by a remarkable 74%. And this European Commission also says that 35% of European Union's buildings are over 50 years old. So the renovation of the existing buildings can lead to a significant energy savings, as it could reduce the European Union's total energy consumption and lower the CO2 emissions. For this purpose, HMS Networks offers building automation solutions to reach those purposes. Okay, so interconnecting intelligent building components is an increasing challenge, as there are many different technologies that are utilized and many different protocols for each application area. So the benefits of network-to-network connectivity would be improved efficiency, optimizing resource usage, leading to energy savings and cost reductions, enhance control and monitoring, so allow centralized control and monitoring of building systems, leading to better adaptability to changing conditions. Then also we have as a benefit data insights that enables the collection and analysis of data from various subsystems, facilitating predictive maintenance and improving decision making. And then, of course, the user experience. So by providing greater comfort, convenience, and security of the building occupants. So once to this point and this brief introduction, I want to present you our last CanX products launched in our Intesis Protocol Translators portfolio. These are the 700 series CanX and the new Modbus RTU to CanX gateway. Okay, so we are going to see the benefits of each one of these products. Let's start with the 700 series CANX. First of all, we wanted to highlight the main value proposition that brings this product. So the capacity to join the most common building automation protocols in the industry is a unique hardware series. This is possible thanks to the late configuration feature that allows to select your protocol translation application with just a few clicks via the Intesis maps configuration tool. Then the serve on time topics, thanks to a comprehensive and reduced portfolio, basic for stock management purposes. So we are going to see later in more detail. And finally, to avoid complex RMAs cases, thanks to the interchangeable protocol feature. Now we're going to see the main benefits of the 700 series. Okay, so it's a long-term hardware to rely on, based on a new selected microchip with the fully supply availability. Also, we have significantly reduced the number of order codes, so we can consider a stock-friendly product, really important feature for our distributors. The multi-protocol feature enables the late configuration through maps tool. Then also important, the reduction of technical support cases when there are errors in the purchase phase. Also important to mention that this hardware is IoT ready for future developments in this IoT field. And finally, we have all kind of different certifications to be ready to sell worldwide. Perfect. So going in deep to the features or the characteristics of this 701 CANX series, the 700 series for CANX, is our protocol translator common platform for CANX integration, and it enables the translation between these most common protocols in the building automation industry, as we have said. These ones are CANX, Modbus, BACnet, and ASCII in this platform. So this product supports CANX TP, BACnet, MS, TP, and IP, Modbus RTU and TCP, and also ASCII serial and IP. So thanks to the multi-protocol feature, we do have exchangeable protocol translation combination, as we said, using our configuration tool maps. And then we support different capacity options, 5 options of data points. These ones are 100, 200, 250, 600, 1,200, and 3,000 data points. And then you can see here the translations that we support in this product. So we support CANX to Modbus slave, CANX to BACnet server, Modbus master to CANX, BACnet client to CANX, and CANX to ASCII server. Going through the next slide, at the beginning I have mentioned that we have significantly reduced the number of order codes, so we can consider this product a stock-friendly product. Here we have the big picture. So to this point, we went from 22 article numbers for the B6 old versions, as you see here in the left side of the slide, to the 5 order codes for the new versions, 1 for each version of data points, okay, in the 700 series. So it's significantly, so we have significantly reduced the number of order codes, as you see here. So this is possible because Maps makes it happen. Maps software is essential to run these multi-protocol gateways. It is an easy configuration process where you can even change the default firmware of the gateway. So this is here you see the main steps, and we are happy to introduce you here our first product launch of this year, 2023. Is basically a replacement for one of our previous product, and it's the new Modbus RTU to CAN-X TP gateway. So here is the transition, the transition product. The product that we had in the past was this square gateway that you have in the left. We ran out of stock at the end of 2022 of this product, so we decided to move forward with a better evolutive product for this use case. Our new version is the Modbus RTU master to CAN-X TP, and it's available from last February 2023. As you can see in the slide, the order code only changes the 200 ending, and it will be doing also 100 points, the same as we did before. Jumping into the use case, in this slide, you can see the integration diagram of Modbus devices in the left side, like HVAC systems, meters. For example, it's also possible electric vehicle chargers, to the CAN-X TP control side installation on the right side. And then we will see some of the main features that we have now in the new product. This is the only product configured by ETS configuration tool that we have in our portfolio, in our Intesis portfolio. All the rest of our protocol translators portfolio, you do program via Maps. So what we can say, it has Modbus devices templates just to make quick to add devices, especially if they are the same. It's a DIN rail product with reduced dimensions, so that fits nicely with all the rest of CAN-X products. It has a fully dynamic ETS database, and we have improved this part also with a better user experience, like ETS tabs and menus. And we also included the ETS DCA. Keep it always updated, and you will be able to do a firmware updates in an easy way. And then in terms of differences, we have this product comparison slide versus the old version. And I have highlighted here in bold type the main differences or the main comparisons. So both of them uses the ATS configuration tool. In the new product, we reach to a more intuitive and dynamic ETS database. Then previously, if you wanted to do a firmware update, previously you needed to do a new database, to have a new database version. Now, in this one, you only need a firmware file and can be updated quicker. Then, regarding the mechanical features, the mounting and sizing is another main difference. About the functionality, in the previous one, we didn't have templates, and now we have it. So we have available a large database of Modbus templates. And in terms of certification, now we do have the UKCA that we didn't have it in the old version. So that's all from my presentation of these two CAN-X products that we have already launched or are our latest launch in our protocol translator portfolio. So now, Bob, is your time, our question and answer section.
Thank you, Paul. I really appreciate the subject of network to network connectivity. And while we're waiting to see if the audience has any questions, I want to prove that we don't rehearse these questions in advance because it just occurred to me that I can't think of anything more important than network to network connectivity, except maybe security. And, so we have KNX security, but if you connect to a less secure network, how does that work, from your point of view in terms of what you're doing in network to network connectivity?
Yeah, of course. Net security is a key point also in the network to network connectivity topic. From Intesis side, we follow also this key topic to assure that of all our products are also secured. So we are, and in our roadmap also we have all kind of milestones to reach that point and to have this security topic covered in our protocol translators portfolio, of course.
Yes. Now it sounds like the right thing, so that when you're connecting, you have the advantage of the KNX security to help you continue the communication network to network. We have a question, and George is asking. George is asking, are your products KNX secure?
Yeah, we have it. We have it in the portfolio. We have it in the portfolio, and we have it also in the roadmap for the future products to be KNX secure too. Yeah.
We have one more question from Jorg. Is Modbus the only foreign protocol you support?
Are you referring to the last product that I have shown?
Probably. I think that's the case.
Yeah. On that case, that product only supports the integration of Modbus devices into the KNX TP installation. But of course, we have other products in the portfolio that support other building automation protocols, like could be Bagnet or ASCII or DALI or another protocol to integrate on other devices.
Okay, and we have two more questions. One is the translation from MQTT.
Yeah. When I have talked about that this hardware, the 700 series, so the first product that I have shown.
Yeah.
When I have told that this hardware is IoT ready, we are thinking in the future roadmap to introduce MQTT also in protocol translators. So yeah, this will be a step forward.
Well, the good thing about network to network connectivity, it's an endless stream, stream of opportunities.
Exactly.
George is asking about KNX IP.
Yeah, we have KNX IP, for example, in some of our products, but the ones that I have shown today, for example, the new Modbus RTU to KNX TP are TP products. Yeah, but we have another products in our protocol translators portfolio with IP.
Okay, and we have a question from Gega, who's saying, I think you may have answered this already. Have you any solution for the BACnet KNX Modbus to MQTT?
Okay. As I said before, on the question from the colleague. MQTT topic is we have it in our roadmap. We do not support right now translations with MQTT, but it will be in the future. Yeah. So stay tuned, because we're going to reach with that.
Okay, that's a good answer. Any more questions from the audience? I have a feeling there's a lot of questions in this area, but they just get more detailed and more detailed. We thank you for joining in. Thank you.